everyone, welcome to this week's Market Insights brought to you by Signalz.in. Signalz.in is your gateway to expert market insights, which brings to you stock recommendations from SEBI registered RAs and RIAs across all segments. We are delighted to be back again with our weekly NIFTY analysis with RA Prosenjit Ghosh, who is a SEBI registered research analyst with over 23 years of experience with financial market. Mr. Prosenjit, welcome to this week's NIFTY analysis session.
Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well.
Mr. Prosenjit, last week when we discussed our NIFTY analysis in this series, you had predicted a certain pattern. And this week, a significant phenomena took place in the market. You had predicted that market will start moving up and there will be a green candle. And that is exactly what happened. And it crossed the level that you had predicted. So let's start with your comment on this phenomenon in the market.
Absolutely, Sarath. What we predicted last week. If you want to watch my last week video, then click on the video at the right hand corner of the screen and watch it. Then you will know what kind of prediction we did. Now let's get back to our chart. So as we discussed last week, what we said that price is making an ABC corrective pattern. And if it is an ABC corrective pattern, then what will happen? The price will go up, break the resistance and retrace to the resistance and go up further. And by this, a green candle will form. And exactly that happened. That day, price was standing here when I marked this arrow on the chart. So we see that price moved up, breaks the resistance, comes down, retest it, and again moving up. Now question is, what is it going to do this week or maybe the coming weeks? So you see the last week, as predicted, price has created a green weekly candle. So that means in the chart, what price created? Price created a drop-based rally. Drop-based rally in a weekly chart means there is a demand price structure. Though not all demand price structures are tradable. Never trade as because there is a drop-based rally. No, that is not the point. But what this tells us, probably after so many red candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles, there is something that has changed. Price has turned here. From drop, price has turned to a rally. And this is important. And price was able to close as a green candle. This is very important. So after a green candle, we don't expect price immediately coming down. Rather, we expect that the price might go up further and create more green candles here. Now, if I go and check the daily chart, what we see here, let me delete all this. What we see here, that price has now comfortably engulfed the resistance. As I said before, this resistance is important. If it breaks, then we can expect price to go up further. And in this case, we see that price has engulfed, price has closed above the resistance. Now, what is next? If you go to the hourly chart, you see that after the break, prices already, or maybe you can go to the 15 minutes chart, then you will understand that after a break of this resistance, price has already retested it. If you know support and resistance, how they work, then you must know that after a break of a resistance, often this resistance turns into a support. And whenever it turns into a support, price always comes down, retest it, and again goes up. So that is exactly what's happening here. After the break of this daily resistance, price has come down, retested it, and now bouncing. Now what's next? Look what's happening in the 15 minutes chart. Price is continuously creating candles one beside another. This is a sideways movement. Now, there are two types of sideways movement which happens in a chart. One is known as narrow range sideways movement, and another is known as wide range sideways movement. Now, whenever a narrow range forms, what can be expected in the chart? Now, this narrow range sideways movement can continue for maybe couple of hours before a breakout on either side can happen. Now, in general, in a narrow range sideways movement, when a breakout happens, we see a blast in either side, or either the price will go up very, very fast, or it will go down very, very fast. So these are the areas many people might think of taking, non-directional option trades, maybe, because these are the areas where you see a blast price moving up or down very, very fast. So this is what I see in this chart. Now, which side I prefer? I generally prefer the long side because I feel this is another correction in making. And if it is a correction, then it is a very complex correction though. If it is a complex correction, then price should go up. Even if price goes down, I mean, in a way, I always believe that even if price goes down, price will have to go up because overall this is a correction. But if you look at this narrow range candlestick pattern, then I believe probably the price might go off first rather than breaking down. So this week also, what I believe in the weekly chart, we will see another green momentum candle forming like this green candle, and price will go up, right? And those who are marking this level drop based drop, and you are thinking that price has come up to it, it might take the price down. That may not happen. Because the way the price has come, it is a bad approach for this drop base drop in weekly. So I expect this drop based drop to break and price to go up to this supply SOE in hourly chart. So this is my prediction for this week because everything is tested here. I expect price to go up, and once this narrow range completes, there will be a very big fast blast of price. You will be seeing price moving very, very fast on either side. So maybe right now we don't have any news. Who knows? During the week, some very important, exciting news comes from the market, which right now, if I am not aware, you are not aware, but some news will come, and then you will see this blast happening either side. Thank you very much. This is the analysis for this week.
Fantastic. This shows, how a strong technical analysis helps to predict the market movement, and why such technical analysis from professionals like you are so important and valuable. Thank you for that input. So, with the current juncture, so any suggestions for the investment with this trend in the market?
Yeah, Sarath, I have created the basket of stocks in Signalz. I want all of you to join that basket of stocks. There, I have created a basket of 10 very good investment stocks. These stocks are liquid, they are undervalued, and they pay dividends. So you can have additional income. And this is the right time to enter them. Don't miss the opportunity. Opportunity doesn't beg every day.
Yeah, that's really good to hear. To our all viewers, please go visit Signalz.in, visit Mr. Prosenjit Ghosh's profile page. You can check out the subscriptions that he's offering, especially the basket one that he just mentioned. Make use of this situation, make use of this investment opportunity. Thank you once again, Mr. Prosenjit, for your expert guidance. Your perspectives are always highly appreciated by our viewers. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Sarath and everyone.
Thank you, viewers, for tuning in and for the support you have been pouring in. Remember, Signalz.in is your trusted platform for recommendations from SEBI registered analysts and advisors. Stay informed, stay confident, and we will see you next time.